It's really difficult because it really is very case specific. If you have a case where you're looking for a custody battle and you're looking to fight for the children, that's one thing. If you're looking at a property division issue or you're looking for both, the problem is that if you're looking at a property division, you really want to bring in any information you have with regard to your marital estate. What's the equity that you have in your home? What information do you have with regard to bank accounts? Do you have any IOLTA accounts? Do you have any IRAs that may be important? If it's a custody battle, then obviously we want stuff like, we want information that would allow us to determine what's in the best interest of the children. The courts are going to look at what's in the best interest of the children. So if there's anything that your spouse has done or the father or the mother has done with regard to the kids, you're going to kind of want to flesh that out. I mean, it's important to know whether or not they're participatory in trying to take care of the children, whether or not they're just trying to get out of child support. It's especially difficult for military families because they're constantly PCSing, which means that every 3 years they're going to be transitioning. They're going to be going into another venue or another place. So what that means when you're going through a divorce is that parents are going to have to, just based on the fact that the military is going to be sending them to another state, are going to have to do something different. They're going to have to be a little creative in their visitation schedules. They're going to have to be creative in how much it costs to transfer, for flight arrangements, for air arrangements for the children, and how much time that military spouse is going to be able to get with the children. It's very difficult. Sometimes they can be overseas. Sometimes they will be stateside. You have to be extremely creative about how you fashion those visitation schedules, because if you start with the premise that most people want to have as much time with their children as possible, military members are not really able to do that on a regular basis. And unfortunately, what happens to them is they're not able to participate in everyday extracurricular activities. They're not able to participate in going to a child's basketball games or football games or anything like that. So you have to be real creative in how you do it. And unfortunately, what really causes a problem is that not only do parents not get access to the children, but the children don't get access to the parents. So it makes it very difficult.